Hi all, welcome to English 149. My name is Kim Pipitanason, and I wanted to show you a bit about how this course is going to work as a support course for English 1A. So first of all, you can go to the Start Here button if you'd like to go to the Getting Started module, or you can select the Modules button from the navigation menu. You'll see the syllabus here, some resources in the Getting Started module, and one of those resources is an embedded tutor. Now, the embedded tutor might change from semester to semester, but what this online embedded tutor is going to do is be available to you in online chat each week for 2 or 3 hours. So the hours that the tutor is available will be listed inside here, and those meetings will be held via Confer Zoom. There will be a link that you can sign into and talk to the tutor face-to-face online. This is a great resource. These tutors have been successful in the class already, and they are great peer mentors for your questions. In addition, they'll be available via email, and you can also see them in the AAC face-to-face for tutoring sessions. So I really encourage you to take advantage of the embedded tutor if you need some help during the semester. Next, you can look at the modules. So notice in each module, mostly, there are discussion boards for question and answers. So I'll be monitoring these, and the embedded tutor might be monitoring them too. And you can ask your questions. Maybe another student could answer them. I'll also check in and answer them. You can also contact me by email or in the Canvas inbox. You can email me, and I usually get back fairly quickly to people if you have a question. So next, I want to look at the connection between these assignments between English 149 and English 1A. You'll notice the first week there are no extra assignments in English 149. Starting in week 2, though, there is a connected assignment, and there will be a connected assignment each week to something that we're doing in English 1A. So if you look in the English 1A course, the week 2 discussion board is on this reading from An American Childhood, and it asks you to find the thesis and make some human connection there. So this assignment uses the active reading strategy of annotation and using prior knowledge, and annotation is a very essential skill to learn in your academic career. So you'll be annotating this story, and this will familiarize you with the content and doing an exercise surrounding that that helps you prepare for the assignment in English 1A. Now you notice that the assignments in English 149 are due Wednesdays by 11:59 p.m. These assignments are not allowed late. I do have a different policy in English 1A about some late assignments, but in English 149 they are not allowed late, and that is because these assignments are meant to help you prepare for the assignments in English 1A that are due after this. So I'd like you to complete these on time. And also note the way that English 149 works is it is a credit or no credit course. So to get credit for this course, you need to complete at least 7,000 points in the course, and you can do that by a combination of assignments. In addition, it is required that you have one Confer Zoom meeting with me, so an online face-to-face meeting. I have these meetings set up toward the ends of the semester to help you, hopefully, with your big essay. So there's going to be 2 scheduled Confer Zoom meetings in weeks 13 and 14. However, if these do not work for you, I will set up a personalized meeting with you online. So this is going to be quite a lot to juggle during the semester, but I really want to be here to help you with your questions. I want you to be successful in these courses. So please reach out to me, and I will help you in any way that I can. So here's to a great semester, and I will talk to you soon.